So this is the exhaust manifold off my Farmall H. The pipe had been repaired by someone once before, and you can see it was in pretty bad condition. I tried to take it out with a pipe wrench, and that didn't work. So I ended up cutting it off, and I got the old piece out with a air hammer. The reason I wanted to try and salvage this if I could is a new manifold is like $250, whereas a pipe, is 20 bucks. So I was able to salvage it, and I just made a new pipe for the manifold. You also see I did get a reproduction muffler from Steiner tractor parts. I do think it sounds pretty good. I also added a stainless rain cap to it. Some people don't like those, but I like the way those sound on all my old tractors. I also forgot to mention, but I did have to buy a 2-inch pipe thread tap to tap out the threads. It was an additional $40, but again, still a lot cheaper than $250. Plus, it's another tool, to add to the collection. Also, while I had the manifold off, I decided to fix this throttle linkage. You can see somehow it was worn through there and very rusted. So I just drilled out the pipe on the left and made a new piece out of some round stock. That way my throttle linkage can't fall off when I'm riding, which is what used to happen.